Hello and welcome to my video where I will be unboxing Asmodai, the Master of Repentance. Now, Asmodai is one of the most feared figures within the Dark Angels chapter. He's known for his relentless pursuit of the fallen, those Dark Angels who have turned from the light of the Imperium. As the Master of Repentance, his role is to extract confessions from the fallen, often by any means necessary. His reputation for brutality precedes him from across the galaxy. The release of the Asmodai model coincides with the upcoming Codex for Dark Angels. This hints at new strategies and lore for the chapter. Fans of the Dark Angels will be keen to see how Asmodai's role is expanded in the new Codex. Okay, here we can see the model himself in a dynamic pose. So he's got his two iconic weapons, his sword and his censure, which symbolise both his unyielding faith and his prowess on the battlefield. As you can see, he has two heads. So you've got the head without the hood and with the hood. Both have his halo. They both have their own charms, so we'll see which one you like the best really. Something you could see very briefly earlier was his backpack. Now, the smoke that comes off the model itself actually is attached to the backpack, although, is it really? No, it's actually separate on the sprues. I'll get this out for you, I'll show you, because I know that smoke on models, especially this dramatic smoke, is a bit of a bone of contention among us all, and do we either love it or we hate it. You'll be delighted to know that you have the choice with this model, so you can literally not attach to the backpack at all. So here we have it. It's in lots of little parts. Let me just get the base out there. So that's a 50mm base, which is a pretty big base for this size model really. There it is. Something I need to quickly mention, as Richard has been very insistent that I do, is that there are no decals in this box at all, absolutely none. So be aware of that when you purchase this model, that there are no decals. I'm not really sure what else to talk about really. I'm really impressed with the quality of the sculpt and all the little details. It's a really good chance for painters to really show off their skills with lots of little things to explore, lots of opportunities for really fun colours, really fun little details. I'm just going to show you again the smoke. As you can see, that's it on the back and how it attaches to the backpack, and it is completely separate, so that's a real plus. Okay. Just going to go through the instructions, all pretty straightforward. Nothing too scary there. And there he is, in his full glory at the back. So in short, I'm pretty impressed with this model of Asmodai, and I really like all the extra little details, and I think it's going to make a really great project for some of you guys. I really can't wait to see what everyone does with him, and I hope you all have a lovely time. Thanks very much for watching my first ever unboxing video. I hope it wasn't too ropey, and I hope to see you again and have a lovely day. Alright, take care, and bye from me.